Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try it for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Zara. Brand Zara is quite a well-known brand in the fragrance community. They've been doing perfumes for quite a long time, about maybe 20 years or so, and they have a super extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio. The only problem with Zara is majority of the times they discontinue their fragrances rather quickly, few weeks, few months, who knows. But there are some perfumes or fragrances in their lineup that looks like they are a staple, they are staying there. This is one of them. It's called Zara Vibrant Leather Summer. So this is from their Vibrant Leather line, which they have about 6 or 7 of them at the moment. And this one is obviously it's called Summer. And the reason I basically attracted to it because there is a very famous perfume behind it, which is Jerome Epinette. So Jerome Epinette is quite a well-known perfumer in the fragrance community. He's an upcoming perfumer and he's making a splash at the moment in the fragrance community. So when I saw that, I had to basically get it. What the heck is going on here? Yeah, so before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. This could be a hidden gem that we have to wait and see. So this one retails, Zara selling it for under £30 for 120 ml. Yeah, 120 ml Eau de Parfum. And so let's see how it goes. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So very nice box. It's quite simple, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. And the bottle in this series, the Vibrant Leather series, they're all the same shape, they're different colors. So this one is like a turquoise color to it, but it's transparent, and the juice is transparent as well, no color to it. Very, very nice heavy bottle. The cap is heavy and magnetic. Not heavy, but it's got a weight to it, and it's magnetic, which is very nice. The atomizer is modern and is silver. And here we go. Very good sprayer. Although it's not pressurized, but it's a good sprayer, especially for a price under £30, and it's still available on Zara to buy. Here we go. First impression for Zara Vibrant Leather, and this is summer edition or summer. Ooh, bright, fresh, happy, very uplifting, very inviting. As the name suggests, summer, very summery. This is a summer in a bottle. Very bright, very happy, very transparent, very airy, little bit of aquaticness in here. Quite heavy on the citrus right now. I'm smelling a combination of few citrus, definitely bergamot, lemon, lime, maybe even grapefruit. So it's like an amalgamation of few citruses to lift it, to make it bright and very, very uplifting and very, very fresh. It's got a hint of greenness to it, not too much, hint of greenness, and the base is woody, but the woods are very, very clean in here. The wateriness aspect to it is quite apparent, although there is no saltiness in here. It's not oceanic, it's sea breezy or fresh watery more than rather than the oceanic one. So this is very, very bright and happy, very, very clean. So clean, happy, bright, fresh, ultra fresh. So this is one of the freshest fragrances you smell. Okay, you cannot get fresher than this. This is so bright. It reminds me of what's that Versace one, Versace Eau Fresh, to some extent. So it reminds me of that one, Versace Eau Fresh, and also it reminds me of Dior Homme Cologne. So Dior Homme Cologne and Versace Eau Fresh. So if you like the similar fragrances to these two, although this is not an exact copy of it, or it's not 100%, it's not a one-to-one to them, but very, very similar to those two. So if you like those two, which those two are the freshest fragrances you find on the market, this is as fresh as those two. Very fresh, very fruity, very very watery, airy, transparent, citruses, happy, bright, watery, woody. The woods are very, very clean in here. Let me see what they say in terms of note breakdown. This is according to Fragrantica. The note breakdown is very minimalistic. It says bergamot, ginger, and cedar. Obviously these three, yes, but I'm smelling more stuff in here which they're not mentioning. In terms of citrus, definitely bergamot, but definitely grapefruit and lime. I'm smelling lime and also lemon. So lemony, limey, grapefruity, and also bergamonty. So they are very, very heavy on the citrus in here. So you need to like your citrus fragrances, because this is very, very citrusy. This is a super citrus. Ginger, yeah, I'm getting a hint of ginger. The ginger, yeah, it's very, very big actually. It's quite a big ginger in here as well. But I'm getting something minty in here. I'm not sure if there's a mint chord in here or mint note, but definitely minty. So it is minty, it is gingery, it is a little fresh spicy, and the fresh spiciness is mainly come from herbs. So it is a bit herbal, it is green, it is grassy, but the herbal and grassiness and the fresh spiciness is way toned down to make it much brighter. Okay, so it's super bright. I'm smelling something like, yeah, something like a vetiver in the base, but the vetiver is very clean. Is one of those fresh vetiver rather than, you know, those heavy vetivers which are earthy. No, this is a fresh vetiver. It's like a fresh grass. You just cut the grass and you smell it. Is that very, very close to that smell. So overall, this is a beauty. The only thing with Zara, they are hit and miss in terms of performance. Some of their fragrances are poor performer, some of them are okay, some of them are actually very, very good. I have two fragrances from Zara which are beast mode, but those more into the exception to the rule rather than the rule itself. So let's see if it lasts even on the medium side, because don't forget this is a fresh fragrance, this is summery, this is a very clean, very happy fragrance. So even if it lasts medium, moderate, on the moderate side of things, again it's worth every penny, because this kind of fragrances, they don't last anyway. Let's see how it goes with the performance. So definitely amalgamation of citruses, and those citruses are giving it quite a fruity feel as well. So it is like a fruity, citrusy, zesty, and very, very uplifting. Fresh spiciness mainly coming from the ginger, plus some herbal notes in here, and it's a little of grassiness. The woods are very, very clean in the base, which is mainly cedar in here. Very, very clean and very, very fresh, and a little bit of aromaticness. Yeah, the aromaticness, where does that come from? It's more like the green aromatic rather than something like lavender. It's a green aromatic. It could be something like Artemisia in here or something in that vein, or to give it that fresh feeling of aromaticness. But it's super uplifting. It's super happy. Very, very happy. Very happy, very fresh, clean, uplifting, very inviting, very easygoing, very relaxing. It's just basically, as it says, summer. This is summer in a bottle. So if you like the fragrances I mentioned, Versace Eau Fresh and Dior Homme Cologne, those two, again, not 100% to those, not a one-to-one to any of them, not a copy of any of them, but it is in the same family of those fragrances. Very bright, very clean, very fresh, very airy, transparent, fruity, citrusy, green, fresh spiciness, and a little bit of woodiness to them as well. Okay guys, so in terms of age, this is ageless. Anybody can from 15 to 150 can wear it. In terms of season, this is definitely for summer. This is for heat, summer. This plays superbly well in a very high heat. So this is very good for that, and also it's good for after shower. If you're coming out after the shower or the bath, you can apply this and it will uplift you and will make you super fresh and super happy. It's good for going to gym, it's going to work, it's going to do your chores casually. Daytime is very casual and relaxed, and very basically very friendly fragrance overall. It's one of those dumb reach, as they call them in the fragrance community. In terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. Although it's very fresh and easygoing, you can even dress it up if you like. So it is very versatile. You can use it formal, informal, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, anything you want. But it is more towards casual rather than the formal one. In terms of gender, anybody can wear it, ladies and men, no problem. There's nothing in here to making it uber masculine or uber feminine. It's bang in the middle, unisex to my nose. Anybody can wear it. As always, smell, fragrances, perfumes don't have gender anyway. Don't fall for it. If you like a perfume, wear it. If you don't like perfume, don't wear it. As simple as that. The rest are just marketing BS. Okay guys, so if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. And this one looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. Let's see for the performance how it goes. And if you'd like to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I'll leave them in the link as well. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They smell great and they are very artistic and unique. I put more than 60% pure perfume oil in my perfumes, and that makes them very big in terms of personality and performance. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye.